Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair, huh? Acer Nitro. Probably this is the most common laptop, gaming laptop. So many are Acer Nitro. We don't know what CPU is here, we know only the screen is 144 Hz, and we know the owner is a dog lover. Let's see what the guy is saying on the email, the customer. So the customer is saying, Acer Nitro, no power, dead. And sad emoji. I love people using emoji. I'm using emoji, and my daughter said it's cringe. But yeah, I still like using them. Okay, it's dead. We know what is happening with the Acer Nitro when it's dead. So I'm not gonna plug the power. I will say let's first open and check the main power rail, and after that we can plug the power. Okay, so wow. I mean, we all know from where the faults start on the gaming laptops, from heat. Check here, that's crazy. This is full of dust. I mean, this is insane. When you're buying a gaming laptop, comes out the package with the thermal paste replacement every few months, fan cleaning every few months. It's coming out the package, but the manufacturer are not saying. That's the thing. They should write on the on the manual. Wow. Anyway, let's check the main power rail. We have a nice E&E chip here. We have the main power rail probably here. No. Yeah, probably here. Let's check. So the main power rail is not shorted, or this is not the main power rail. Probably is not. Probably is not the main power rail. But this one, it is. Yeah, we have coil, we have chip, MOSFETs, whatever, and here you have capacitor. 0, and on the other side 0. So on the both sides of the capacitor we have 0. So clearly that's the main power rail. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the heatsink. Let's try to have a look what is shorted. What do you think is shorted? It's like, you have to place the bet. CPU or GPU, what is that? And obviously, if it's a GPU, then the customer is a winner because we can disable the GPU and the customer can use the laptop with the Intel graphics. Let's unplug the battery. I forgot about the battery. Before you unplug in the screen, first you have to unplug the battery. And then, doesn't even matter, the main power is shorted, but, just to be like a usual reflex, always take out the battery when you are unplugging the screen. And the heatsink, it's out. Yeah, we have a AMD CPU. Huh? There is something green, or I'm not seeing the colors straight. It's like greenish, you can see. Let's go under the microscope and check together. Don't tell me actually this is a lucky customer. I can't believe that's crazy. So actually, do you think that green stuff is coming from the capacitor? Not sure what is here. Rosin. Is coming from here. Check here. Check here. So this. So do you think this is from liquid damage? And actually, this capacitor is dead. Oh, check the capacitor. That's crazy. So actually, this is a lucky customer. Okay, so this is not a MacBook, so I will say hello to my little friend, huh? What do you think about this? No, it's pretty easy to take the capacitor out with hot air. Let's take the capacitor out. No, let's be gentle, okay? Hey, what a lucky customer. That's crazy with that fans. Wow. This is a proper lucky one. And you know what? I think this happened from some liquid damage. You can see this green stuff. Wow, 1 second. What is this? Do you think the MOSFET is dead? This one? Lol, check here the solder. Do you actually think a drop of water came here and blew up the capacitor in the MOSFET? Okay, that sucks. Probably the MOSFET is gone. Let's take out the capacitor. Probably the capacitor is exploded, you know what I mean? Probably it's not even shorted. Probably the MOSFET is shorted. Yeah, so the capacitor, it's out. Yeah, okay, we took out the capacitor. Let's see if we still have short. So checking with the multimeter, short, and here short. That sucks. Here we have 2 ohms. I got excited too soon. The MOSFET is shorted. Yeah, this one. You can see. Well, actually, do you think someone took out the MOSFET? Because I can see flux here. Yeah, it can be. Let's take out the MOSFET. But this is a weird coincidence. I mean, the capacitor and the MOSFET on the same time. Yeah, the MOSFET is out. Yeah, we took out the MOSFET. Now let's check for short. How can be still short here? That's crazy. I took out the MOSFET. Don't tell me actually the MOSFET is not shorted. So let's see what is shorted. Lowering the voltage. Yeah, about there, 0.7. We need a ground. Perfect. We don't need thermal camera, right? No, we can short the output. Okay, so it's taking 570 milliamps, shorting the coil to ground. It's not the GPU, it's not the CPU. Huh? No, it's not. Shorting to ground the GPU is not. Let's get a thermal camera. I'm confused now. I mean, I remove a capacitor which was exploded. I remove a MOSFET with looks burn, but the board is still shorted. And the short has high resistance. And high resistance you'll find only on the CPU. On the CPU and the VRAM, that's all. The GPU has low resistance. Let's see. Even with 500 milliamps, we should see something. What is that? The motherboard layer? Wait a second, let's raise the voltage, 600 milliamps. Is the motherboard layer or is a capacitor on the other side of the board? What do you think? But this is good news. Check there, 600 milliamps and the track is getting hot. But those are good news. That means the fault was actually the capacitor. We removed the MOSFET, but the MOSFET is not shorted. Wow, those are good news. Burn layers, that's fine. That's why we can drill the board, you know, like that's no issue. So basically, yeah, okay, I got it. You can see it. You can spot it. I mean, you can see the track is getting away from the board. Yeah, here. So check there. You see behind here. Yeah, here. But it's not that bad. I mean, maybe it is here. Burn layers. Wow. It's not that bad, right? So basically it's here a little bit and here a little bit. The problem is we solve nothing if we remove the track from the top, because you can see those pipes. You see those pipes? So those pipes are coming from the other side of the board. Yeah, you can see. Check there. Wow, this motherboard is so poor. Hmm. It's a hole to the other side of the board, right? Yeah, it's a hole on the other side of the board. Okay, let's take the motherboard out. I mean, we can have a chance to repair this, yeah, but we have to remove everything what is burned. Let me take the board out. I mean, check here, yeah. You can see the mark. Wow, it's looking pretty bad. What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that? Yeah, but it's still okay. It's still okay. We don't have some shorted CPU. It's still fine. Huh? Looking bad? Yeah, think twice. Yeah, think twice. Bad it was if the CPU was shorted, but yeah. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. So look, here is fine. You can see. So here the track is fine. There's no issue. Here the track is fine. You can see it. The motherboard is healthy. Probably here was some capacitor which blow up. But it's not looking that bad. No. No. Let's make it nice. Perfect. Perfect. Ah, it's looking nice, right? Perfect. It's nothing to worry about. Here are like plus and minus tracks. It's like crafting, you know what I mean? Perfect. Let's clean it. Good. Well, let's see what we have there. Perfect. Perfect. Check that. Every layer. You can see. Yeah, those capacitors probably are good. There's no issue here. Here is ground. Here is plus. Yeah, it's looking. Yeah, we still have some black spots. You can see that. Check that. But we disconnect the black spots. This one, yeah, is falling off. This one, probably the same. Yeah. Let's check on the other side. So here we have, you know what, I want to preserve the MOSFET track. This one, I'm not sure this one is going to this MOSFET, but I want to save this track also. Gate, no, we don't have gate here, right? Those are dual MOSFETs. One second. Those two tracks are together. Okay, we are fine. Yeah, dual MOSFETs. Good. Let's check for short. Let's see. So here we have no short. Here we have no short. Here on this capacitor we have short. Lol. It was no short. I checked like 1 second ago. Now it's short everywhere. Okay, let's see what is shorted. So what I'm gonna do? Yeah, it's short. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come with alcohol here and high current. Or let's try. Yeah, with what current we have. Let's see. Here and here. Check there, check there, check there. You can see it's smoking. You can see. So the only problem left is there. But the problem is there. It's actually my MOSFET track. This one. So that's the issue. If I'm losing the track, I can't solder the MOSFET. Here. So the problem is exactly here. I don't want to lose this track. That's the problem. So let's clean it. We clean it. Let's see now if we still have short. Coming with a power supply. Minus, plus. It's taking nearly check on the screen. It's taking like 10 milliamps. We still have here somewhere. I seen something. Let's see. So coming with the power supply. It's fine. It's taking no current at all. You can see nothing. It's perfect. But how we can prevent bad things to happen? First, let's check what happened with our track. So our track from here is going here. No. Okay, that's bad. So here we have short. No, we don't have short. Good. So what I will do, I'll come with the power supply here. And it's fine. No issues taking no current. Can I come with 19? Yeah, I can. Let's come with 19. And see what is happening. 20 volts. So here, nothing happened. It's taking no current. And here, 3 amps. Huh. What is taking 3 amps here? So the board just got shorted again. Okay, let's check now. Here and here, we still have short. You can see how the alcohol is spinning there. There is the short. Here is still short. You can see the black thingy under the layers there. Yeah. Let's see, here and here, we still have short. What is shorted? There, on the middle of that hole, you can see. So check the middle of that hole. Coming with current. Yeah, there is the issue. You see it's getting dry, you can see it? Yeah. Okay, let's see now. Here and here, still short, still there. Same place. So how we can do it? I mean, not even sure from where is getting that track shorted, from where is getting power. Because we have to find the root. Do you think actually this MOSFET is shorted? Huh? Let's show you one more time. So check there. You can see, check on the MOSFET. Here is ground, here is plus. So here probably under this MOSFET. You can see it? You can see the alcohol of how it's moving around. You can see it? Yeah. Okay, that sucks. We have to remove that MOSFET to see what is there. Probably under this track? Probably. Okay, so the MOSFET is removed. Let's see, so coming with current, and it's not short. Lol, it's not short. The MOSFET, it was shorted, that's crazy. No, it's not short anymore. The MOSFET it was shorted. Oh, that's crazy. Let's check the MOSFET. No, the MOSFET is not short. No, the MOSFET is not shorted. So I don't understand. The short just goes away, like basically instantly. Let's see. So we have the plus track, and it's taking no current, rising the voltage 19, and looks okay. Yeah, looks fine. Check there. No short. Okay, let's remove. Actually, no, leave it here. It's fine. It's no issue. So we have no short after we remove the MOSFET. And I don't understand why. The MOSFET looks good. I'm not sure I understand why. Let's clean that. Good. Everything is clean. It's not short, right? It's not short. We have 19 volts. And the board is doing fine with 19. Good. Good. Perfect. Now, let's solder the MOSFETs back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dip the MOSFET into the rosin. Let me heat it. Perfect. And then I'll solder the MOSFET now. Oh! Perfect, right? Yeah, perfect. The MOSFET is soldered in place. Now let me grab the other MOSFET. This one, but let me check for short first. Do we have any short? No short, okay, we are fine. Now the second MOSFET. I'm gonna dip the MOSFET into the rosin. Perfect. Good, 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 good. That's what I want. That's what I want. Perfect. And now, all what is left is this thingy. Right? This and this. Let me check for short. We have short. We have short here. Wait a second, the MOSFET it is shorted, this one? Because that sucks if the MOSFET is shorted. Is shorted or is just hot? Is shorted. Yeah. In this case, it is possible to be a dead CPU. Well, not very likely, but it is possible. I mean, when the things start happening, the current was too busy dealing with the burn layers and with the shorted capacitor. So not sure how much current goes into the CPU. Let me grab a MOSFET. I'm pretty sure I have this one, 6930. Six nine three zero, yeah. Yeah, I told you I have it. Yeah, that's the one. Good. Let's solder the MOSFET. Let me dip the MOSFET into the rosin. Good. Perfect. So it's still shorted? Let's see. No, it's fine. Good. Perfect. So both MOSFETs are okay. Now we have to deal with this track. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah? Good. Let's check one more time for short. And it's not short. Okay? Plus is coming here. Perfect. Let's see on the other side of the board. Let's make it nice. Okay, so what's the solution? The solution is very simple. Very simple. So you get the solder, you get the hot air, and you heat up the board here. You know, I'm not sure what is that solder ball, but I'm not happy with that. Okay, better now. Let's check for sure. So here is fine, here is fine. Good. So the solution is to heat up the area. And then you're coming with liquid rosin. And liquid rosin is a very good isolator. That's the solution. And the liquid rosin, it will get inside of the layers. Yeah, it will absorb inside and it will isolate the layers. That's the solution. Okay, let's not forget we still have a track to repair. This one. Yeah, we can get a, yeah, we can get from the capacitor a wire. Yeah, give me 1 second. Rosin, soldering the wire here. Perfect. And here. Perfect. So what do you think about this? What do you think about this? It will work or not? That's the question. Depends if the CPU is still good. But the main power rail is not shorted, right? No, it's not short. Let's test it. Let's see. Good, so we plug the keyboard. Let me grab a plug for my power supply. Good, so we have power. We need some current, right? This is a gaming one. Yeah, like 4 point something. Yeah. Plug in the charger. Nothing shorted. Let's press the power button. See if the board is alive. Pressing the power button and it's coming on. Lol. Okay. Let's put the heatsink. We can't start this without the heatsink. Perfect. Everything is on place, right? We can test it. Okay, let me plug the charger. Plug in the charger. Pressing the power button. And the motherboard, it is coming on. Come on. Don't tell me you're burned. I did a good job there. Huh? Give me picture. Don't tell me I work for nothing. Really? $3.6 amps. Hmm? It's not working. That's crazy. Have a dead CPU, right? We have picture. That's sick. That's crazy. Lol. No. The power supply getting to the limit. I don't have enough current. Lol, that's crazy. We have picture. That means the CPU is good. Let me grab the customer charger. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we plug the customer charger, pressing the power button. We don't have the BIOS battery, and obviously the board is getting reset. And we have to wait. Yeah, we do have to wait. But I seen Acer logo. That means that the CPU is good. So I can't believe actually the fans are spinning. You can believe that? Lol, check here. So these dusty fans actually are spinning. Let's see. Waiting for the picture. We seen picture already. So yeah. We have picture. We know already. Yeah. 1 second. Why the picture goes off? Okay, it is coming on and probably is loading the windows, right? Yeah, it is loading the windows. Wow. I can't believe so. The board was quite damaged. You know what I mean? I cut a lot from the motherboard. Working fine, working great. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. Yeah, next time when you have this problem, use rosin because rosin is getting inside of the layers and it will isolate, any potential future problem. You know that feeling, it's make you feel complete. So how about now? Now I will tell you what you don't want. What you don't want is, okay, finish the job, you give the laptop to the customer, and you never seen that customer. You never speak with that customer again. That's kind of rude. So if I clean the fans and I change the thermal paste, I will never see the customer again. Also, the customer is not paying for, fan cleaning. He sent the laptop for a motherboard repair. Huh? So we can give the laptop back to the customer, and the customer at some point, he will come back with, oh, my laptop is shutting down when I'm playing games. And that's the moment when you do the fan cleaning. Huh? Pretty smart, yeah? I'm just joking. Of course, you understand this laptop. If you give this laptop, probably this laptop it will come back under 3 months. You know, on your warranty, the laptop it will come back with a different issue, with a shorted MOSFET, with even more burned layers on the motherboard. Obviously, everything happened because of the heat. You have clogged fans. The CPU doesn't care. The GPU doesn't care. All you will get a slow laptop, yeah, because they will lower the clock in order to keep the temperature under 100 degrees. But the board temperature, yeah, the motherboard temperature, it will start rising, yeah, because there is no sensor. It is a motherboard sensor, but instead of having the board at 50 degrees, you'll have the board at 70 degrees or 80 degrees, and on that point, bad things can happen. So give me 1 second, yeah? Let me clean the fans and the heatsink, and let's put it all back together. Okay, so the fans are clean. We clean everything. We have thermal greasy, good thermal paste here. So probably now the laptop, it will still work for, let's say, a few years. Okay, all back in place. Battery also connected. Pressing the power button. The laptop is coming on. We have the charging sign there. We have picture, loading the windows. The heatsink is warm. Everything is fine and it's working great. I mean, this was quite an insane job. I mean, really like maxed out my skills. Because when you have burn layers, you actually can see the heat, but you're not sure from where it's coming. You have like 7 layers on the motherboard and you don't know which one is shorted. Especially when close, you have MOSFETs, you have capacitor, and yeah, it's quite a tricky job. Tricky repair. I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one, right? Yeah. Bye.